Pizza, one of the most loved foods in the world. Whether you like a thin, crispy crust, a deep dish delight, or a cheesy stuffed crust, there's a pizza for everyone. But did you know that different regions and cultures have created their own unique styles of pizza? In this video, we're breaking down every type of pizza and what makes each one special. So grab a slice and let's dive in. Let's start with the original pizza, Neapolitan pizza, which comes from Naples, Italy. This pizza has a thin, soft crust that gets slightly charred in a wood-fired oven. It's made with simple and fresh ingredients: San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil, and olive oil. The most famous version is the Margherita pizza, named after Queen Margherita in 1889. Neapolitan pizza is all about authenticity and tradition, true Italian perfection. Next up, we have New York-style pizza, which is one of the most famous pizzas in the world. It has a thin, foldable crust that's crispy on the outside but soft inside. It's usually sold in large slices, making it perfect for eating on the go. The toppings are simple, just tomato sauce, lots of mozzarella cheese, and optional extras like pepperoni or mushrooms. This pizza became popular in New York in the early 1900s, thanks to Italian immigrants. Today, it's a true American classic. Chicago deep dish pizza. If you love thick, cheesy, and saucy pizza, then Chicago deep dish pizza is for you. This pizza has a thick, buttery crust that forms a deep, round pan. The layers are reversed. Cheese goes first, then toppings, and then a chunky tomato sauce on top. It's baked slowly for a rich, cheesy, and gooey experience. Chicago-style pizza is more like a pie than a regular pizza, but it's one of the most satisfying meals ever. Sicilian pizza. Sicilian pizza, also called sfincione, comes from Sicily, Italy. It's thicker and fluffier than Neapolitan pizza. The crust is crispy on the bottom, but soft inside, often made with olive oil. Traditional toppings include tomato sauce, onions, anchovies, breadcrumbs, and Cassiocavallo cheese. Sicilian pizza has inspired the famous Detroit-style and Grandma-style pizzas in the US. Detroit-style pizza. Inspired by Sicilian pizza, Detroit-style pizza is known for its crispy edges and caramelized cheese. It's baked in a rectangular pan. Originally designed for auto parts trays in Detroit, the cheese is spread to the edges, creating a delicious, crispy, cheesy crust. Instead of being spread evenly, the tomato sauce is added in stripes on top. This pizza has a perfect mix of chewy, crispy, and cheesy. St. Louis style. St. Louis style pizza is thin and crunchy, almost like a cracker. It doesn't use yeast, which makes the crust super crisp. It's topped with Provel cheese, a mix of cheddar, Swiss, and provolone. Instead of slices, it's cut into squares, known as the party cut. If you love extra crispy pizza, St. Louis style is perfect for you. California style pizza. California style pizza is all about gourmet toppings and fresh ingredients. It has a thin, Neapolitan-like crust. Instead of traditional toppings, it uses avocado, goat cheese, arugula, BBQ chicken, or smoked salmon. It became famous thanks to California Pizza Kitchen. This pizza is a modern, healthier twist on traditional styles. Greek pizza. Greek-style pizza has a thicker, oily crust and is baked in a pan instead of directly on a stone. The dough is soft, yet crispy on the edges. It's topped with lots of olive oil, oregano, and feta cheese. The sauce is thicker and tangier than other pizzas. This style is very popular in the northeastern US and Greek-owned pizzerias. Stuffed crust pizza. Stuffed crust pizza takes regular pizza to the next level by hiding extra cheese inside the crust. Created by Pizza Hut in 1995, this pizza became an instant hit. Some versions even include pepperoni, garlic butter, or cream cheese inside the crust. It's a great choice for cheese lovers. White pizza. White pizza, or pizza Bianca, is a unique twist that doesn't use tomato sauce. Instead of tomato sauce, it has ricotta cheese, garlic, olive oil, and fresh herbs. It's a rich and creamy alternative to traditional pizza. Some versions add mozzarella, parmesan, or spinach. If you want something less acidic but full of flavor, white pizza is a great choice. Grandma pizza. Grandma pizza is a thin, square pizza that's crispy yet chewy. It's similar to Sicilian pizza, but thinner and cooked faster. The sauce is chunky and spread over the cheese. It got its name because Italian grandmothers in New York made it at home. It's a simple, homemade style pizza that's full of nostalgia. Japanese Okonomiyaki pizza. Okonomiyaki is not a traditional pizza, but it's called Japanese pizza because of its shape and toppings. It's made with a savory pancake-like batter instead of dough. It's topped with cabbage, pork, seafood, and a special okonomiyaki sauce. Mayonnaise, bonito flakes, and seaweed flakes are often added on top. A unique and delicious twist on the idea of pizza. Quad Cities-style pizza. Originating from the Quad Cities region, Iowa and Illinois, this pizza has a malty, slightly sweet crust due to the use of brewer's malt in the dough. The spicy tomato sauce is applied underneath a thick layer of mozzarella and crumbled sausage. It's traditionally cut into strips instead of triangles or squares. New Haven-style pizza, a specialty of New Haven, Connecticut. A pizza is a charred, thin-crust pizza cooked in a coal-fired oven. The most famous variation is the white clam pizza, topped with fresh clams, garlic, olive oil, oregano, and grated cheese. New England Greek-style pizza. Unlike traditional Greek pizza, this style is common in New England diners and pizzerias. It has a soft, spongy crust, baked in a well-oiled pan, resulting in a crispy, almost fried edge. The sauce is rich with oregano, and the cheese is usually a mix of mozzarella and cheddar or feta. Roman-style pizza. Rome has two major pizza styles: pizza al taglio, a rectangular, thick-crust pizza baked in trays and sold by weight, making it popular for takeout. Pizza tonda romana, a thin, crispy, round pizza, similar to Neapolitan pizza but crunchier. Philadelphia tomato pie. This thick, square pizza is a staple in Philadelphia's Italian bakeries. Unlike Sicilian pizza, the tomato sauce is spread on top of the crust without cheese, or with just a light sprinkle of Parmesan. It's served room temperature and has a slightly sweet sauce. Colorado-style mountain pie. This hearty, thick-crust pizza is popular in Colorado's high-altitude pizzerias. The crust is sweet and braided, almost like a pastry, and is often dipped in honey after eating the pizza. The toppings are generous and piled high. Hawaiian pizza, a controversial yet iconic style. Hawaiian pizza features tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, ham, and pineapple. It was invented in Canada by Sam Panopoulos in the 1960s. The sweetness of pineapple, combined with savory ham, creates a unique contrast. And that's every type of pizza explained, from the classic Neapolitan to the cheesy Chicago deep dish, and even unique styles like Okonomiyaki pizza. The world of pizza is full of delicious variety. Which type of pizza is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.